Welcome to part 3 of video or the third video where we discuss about US 10-year treasury yield. First we discuss that, then we discuss Brent and NYMEX. US 10-year treasury yield, it closed at 4.248, remained flat, I would call 0.8% down, and overall this month it is up by 9.9% and this year also it is up 9.9%. So what had happened? It is on a significant up move, that is what we had said, right? So it is on a significant up move, solid green candle it formed last 2 weeks, and now it is formed a kind of a pullback candle, a small red candle with a slightly upper wick. The high was higher than the previous week's high. But notwithstanding that, it is on a good up move because in the monthly chart, if you recollect, last month itself we have said that it formed an inverted hammer, after which it is going to form a solid green candle, which can be a kind of a morning star type of candle. That is what precisely it has formed. It will close the month end more or less around the same levels. In the daily chart, of course, it formed a solid red candle on the last trading day because the 100-day simple moving average, if you recollect, that is acting as a resistance for it. Though it went above it, but decisively it didn't take it out. Had it been decisive, it would have gone significantly above. That is what it did not happen, which might happen in March if the trend continues. So overall, US 10-year treasury yield is on a good up move, at least in the short-term basis. As far as Brent and NYMEX is concerned, Brent closed at 81.62, 2.2% down this week. NYMEX closed at 76.49, 3.4% down this week. Overall, it is still up around 6.8% up this month. So what happened? Brent and NYMEX both are, it is below all the exponential moving average and all the simple moving average, excepting the 50-day and 50-day simple moving average and exponential moving average in the daily chart. That means the up move that it made, it has given back a lot of its up move, because in the weekly chart last week it formed a solid red candle. This week it formed a last week it formed a solid green candle. This week it formed a bearish angle solid red candle and touching the breaking the 100-week simple moving average. So hence now that is acting as a kind of a resistance for both Brent and NYMEX. In the monthly chart, it has formed last month it has formed a solid green candle, after which it has formed a spinning top till now. More or less it is going to close at these levels. But here again, the 50-month simple moving average and the 200-month simple moving average will act as a terrific support. It is very difficult to break these levels, which you have been telling for quite some time. 50-month has been acting as a fantastic support since last year, July, August. So overall, Brent and NYMEX, the movements are identical and similar. Hence, we expect it to form a doji for the end of this month, but we have to see how the up move is going to continue in the next month, because it is the key support levels. It is near the key support levels and it is very difficult to break below these levels. But if it breaks that the 50-month and the 200-week simple moving average decisively, we can see a big fall in that, but I don't see that happening. Thank you very much.